Hey there everybody, it is Tuesday, February the 18th, 2025, about 3:10 or so in the afternoon. And if you look at that sign on that building, you can see that we are in Goliad, Texas. Is that not a gorgeous mural? That's new as far as we haven't been here in a few years, but that was not here before. So that is a gorgeous mural. Then they got some other little treats here. Here, I guess I'll walk up here and show these to you. Check this out. You got these painted cows, and again, these are new. Don't remember ever seeing these. See, so you got the cow, and you got a painting on its side. Pretty cool, huh? Here's a horse race on this cow. All right. Then they got two more down here. It's a green-blue one. It's got dogs and blue bonnets and clouds and a house and all kinds of stuff on it. Pretty interesting, huh? And then this pink one. Remember Goliad? Goliad say the limit. There's a look at those two. And as we come out, you can see these other two. Across the street's the courthouse, and you can't get a very good view of it, but you can see the top of it up there and a little bit through there. But this here is the square, as they call it. And we'll be checking that out. I'll be making a video here, and we'll be looking at that. Alright, so here's the other side of these cows. So check this out. They are different on this outside side. So here's this one. Check that out. Nice little country scene. So look at that dog and stuff. But yeah, you can see their faces better, the eyes and all that stuff. Let's go look at these other two. La Bahia Downs, Goliad, Texas. And then see the face of that one. Birthplace of Texas ranching. So there you go. And then there's the mural right there, and that is on this building. Octavio M. Oliva, DMD. And look at that up there. Very nice. Still can't get much of the courthouse here, but we'll get it in a little bit. Alright, so here's a pretty neat building. You can tell it's fairly old. Looks like to me anyway. I like the looks of it. And then this tree right here is very nice. Alright, let's keep looking. Alright, here's our first real view of the courthouse, from the side at least. Look at all that up there. That's a good looking thing, and that clock looks to be right. It says 3:20, so I believe that clock is working. Alright, I wanted to show you this path here starting out, these stones. And what does this lead to? Well, at least the murals on this building. Check that out. Pretty nice, huh? As we walk along, we got this hawk, and there's a bunny. So yeah, you can definitely see that one. There's an armadillo and cactus. Get him through these weeds here. And we got a family of deer, it looks like, over here. And we end with a family of raccoons. How cool is that? So we got a little sitting area here. Paul's Grove Family Park, established 2017. Okay. That's kind of neat. I like it. What about you? Here, all the way down. I like it a lot. I just want to show you this block of buildings here. Start down here at this one up there. It says 1854. Then you got the Goliad Pharmacy and Gifts. And that building there's for sale. It says 1902 maybe at the top. Child O or something. I can't read that. Then you got these little buildings here. The Blue Quail Delicatessen. And to the left of that it says Van Dolen Building. But you can tell these buildings are old. And as we walk on down here, that big yellow one, it looks sort of like a New Orleans type building. It says 1896 at the top. And then let's get past this truck. Show you on this corner here. That sun is blinding me. But if you look, that building there with the cool arch designs, that's a neat building there. And then I'll just show you from here the view down there. Pretty neat. And then right there we can see the courthouse from the side a little bit. And we're walking down the sidewalk here. You can see some of the buildings here. A lot of these are closed today. Seems like Tuesday and Wednesday they close, and this is Tuesday. There's a few open, but doesn't seem like very many. It's a cute little cow there. But as we turn our attention back across the street, look at that. Isn't she a beautiful courthouse? I mean, it's one truly of the most beautiful courthouses in Texas. There's actually several. Texas has got a lot of nice courthouses, especially in these small towns. I'm going to fly this one, and I'll share that with you too. That should look really nice from the air. Of course, I'll get some pictures of it from up there as well. But here, you got some nice rocking chairs, selling dishes and stuff in there. Fiesta Dinnerware, it says, and the Soul Emporium, or the Soul Emporium, excuse me. But yeah, so then we'll get back around the other side, and I'll finish this part of this up. Alright, so we're walking around here, coming slow on the square. Check out this tree here. Look at this. It's burnt down here. It's burnt there. I'm almost wondering if this thing was hit by lightning or something. Got this cactus around it. And check this out. That cactus there shaped like a bunny, it looks like. But look how massive this tree is. And look at these limbs. All the way out there. Now, yeah, check this one out. Wow. And then right in the middle, look at that one. Oh, it goes up, scoots around, and then it branches out both ways up through there. That's a very cool tree. So here, as I come around it, more cactus. And there we go. Nice tree. Courthouse is right there. This is the market building here. It's now a museum. Actually, they call it the Market House Museum. But this actually started life back in 1853. And for a majority of its life, it was actually a volunteer fire department. And they had a bell and an engine and everything. I think that there is City Park over there. I've not been into it, but we'll go check it out. I want to add it to this video. I think that's pretty cool. Then they got it's a small world nursery school there. So let's go check out this part. You see this palm tree right here. Look at the vines on this building. Then you got the top of the courthouse right there. That's kind of a neat view, isn't it? All right, so you need to pause this and read all this. This will give you a nice little history. Alright, so if you pause it and read it, you'll understand the history of this place. Now, this just came into being a town December the 20th, 1835, and then of course in March is when everything happened. So just 3 months later, everything fell apart. But this is, like I said, what I believe is City Park. They got a Dollar General right over there, so very, very important. And right here is a statue. Well, it's not really a statue, is it? It's just got a, I don't know, like a big urn or something up there. Here, let's go see what it says. There's a couple of cannons around here, so we'll go look at those. Let's see. Victoria Marble Works, G. Stoltz. Okay. So there shows a picture of a cannon, and 6 cannonballs right there. It says Fannin right there. Okay. This is for James W. Fannin, erected in memory of J.W. Fannin and his comrades in arms, April AD 1885. Okay, because you know he and his men were the ones that were massacred. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if there's anything on this back side. And yeah, up here, see, it says remember the Alamo, remember Goliad. See, that was the cry. Most people don't know that. They just say remember the Alamo. But there's remember the Alamo and Goliad because of Fannin. That says massacred March 27th, AD 1836. I read you this side, and maybe I missed if it said something. Yeah, it does. What does it say? It says independence delivered March 2nd, AD 1836. Consummated April 21, AD 1836. So that's pretty cool. And then you'll see these cannons here. I'm the closest to this one. You can see it's quite rusty. Just got to sit on this concrete here. And here, let you look down the barrel of it. See, there's some sticks in there. And here, we'll go look at this other one. See, they got this fort over here. Got some nice little trees in here. They're not big or anything like some of these others I've shown you around Goliad, but you know, pretty cool. This says found on the streets of Goliad after the Battle of 1836. Oh, cool. History in the making right here. Yeah, you can't see much, just looks rusted, don't it? So that's awesome. Man, this is history in the making. I like it. Alright, so we'll head back where we left off at and go from there. Hope you've enjoyed this so far. Okay, this is the first cannon I showed you. Boy, I'd be remiss, I went on the wrong side. It says used by Colonel Fannin and his men on Fannin's battlefield in Goliad County in 1836. So that first cannon I showed you, he literally fought with this. Of course, he wound up losing. If you read that sign, you know that. But, wow. Man, true history right here. You gotta love this and appreciate it. I hope you do. I certainly do. Alright, now we were actually driving by here and found this place. This is called Branch River Park. You see all those vines on the fence there? Kind of a neat little thing, isn't it? Right there's the sign. It says Branch River Park, San Antonio Authority. Here's more of this fence and more of these weeds. But look at that tree right there. Is that not a cool tree? I think it is. Alright, so if we come in, look, we have another cow. And let's check it out both sides. So you can see its face there. It's very colorful. Look at that turtle. Got a woman in a kayak and an old guy in a kayak and a bird and a butterfly. Pretty neat. And then this side of the cow, there's a bunch of butterflies, a cardinal. Ooh, look at that. And there's a moth down there and people walking a dog and blue bonnets and a female cardinal. People on bicycles. Wow, man, this is something. This is nice. All right, we'll look at a few other things here in a second. So you see in front of this tree here, you see right there, there's an old part, you can tell a part of a corner of a building. And then you see there's concrete here on the ground and some rocks and things. And you see there's a part of a wall right there. I haven't seen any sign talking about this stuff yet, so I don't know what this was or is about or anything. But kind of neat. Sign over there, we'll go look at that and see. San Antonio River Authority says right there. But now this tree right here, look at this. This is the next thing I wanted to get to and show you. Look at that. Pretty awesome tree, huh? Look how that splits right there. That is a beautiful tree. Alright, you see this sign right here, historic structure, keep off. See, that's stairs. This has got to be stairs to a house that used to be here. It probably went all the way down through there where I showed you all that stuff down there. So, with the stairs there, I mean, this had to be like the main entrance, I would think. But then there's something back there too. We'll go take a look at that. Okay, this is what I was talking about. It looks like a well. Those stairs are right there. So, I'm not sure why this would be here. See, they built this little playground here. Got a little pavilion thing, a place to sit, and a little building there. Let's keep exploring. They even got this little thing here. Okay, they got these two big nice trees down here, and we just discovered something in this section. You see that post says number 1, that says number 1? Well, here's why it says number 1. They actually have disc golf here. It's only a 9-hole course. Excuse me, I said that backwards. And they're very small. It's 117, 151, 187. The biggest one is 202 feet, and the last one is 92 feet. But hey, they've got better than nothing, right? Some nice trees over through there I can see. But those trees down there, look at these things from here. Hopefully you see the trunks of those better than what it looks like on here. But that's pretty spectacular.